everyone. I've just learned something from Ahmed, a teacher who is using Collaborate Ultra in large sessions, so setting them up for more than 250 participants, which is the maximum that you have before you have to click large sessions. I'll show you what I mean. If we go into, I think this one will do, and you go into the settings. So here we are in the session settings, and right down the bottom is allow 250 attendees to join. Now, it's good to have there, reassuring. Excuse the building, I've got going downstairs. But it sees these errors, right? I've ticked it on and these errors have arrived. And if we scroll up back through it, where are the errors showing? You've got to go back through and find them. Now I'm not finding, but I know one of them, for example, is large sessions can't be open. You've got to put a beginning and end date, and I can't see. Maybe it's because I'm in the course room. Let me get out of here, and I'll go to a different one. Take this one, for example, coming down, session settings, right down to allow. Please correct the errors in the form before saving. So we go back up. Event details, there it is. Large scale sessions must have an end time. Okay, no worries, we can fix that. And there you go. I've put it in the proper time and then save. Well, let's do it then. Okay. So we go into April 24th. Large scale sessions can't be longer than 24 hours. So you start learning all these limitations in the large sessions. I mean, most people aren't going to have such mammoth sessions, but it's good to get this issue recorded. So I'll change the start date to not March, April 23rd. It's got to be tomorrow, April 24th. There, bang. Okay, good. Looks like we can save that now. Yes, we can. There was something else that came up where reoccurring sessions had been set, and then we needed to turn on the 250 plus after that recurring session had been set. You can only change the parent session so that change can cascade through the reoccurring sessions that have been set up. However, any changes that we made, so we turned on the allow 250 attendees, right? And then some errors happened. And one of the errors was the guest role had to be a participant, but Ahmed had the guest role as presenter. So the error was in large sessions, the guest role can't be presenter. So he needed to change that, but changing that couldn't cascade down through the reoccurring sessions. So he's blocked, basically, he's locked there. He has to either delete all the sessions and start again from the parent, or make adjustments. In the end, he ended up unticking the 250 participants and hoping that he doesn't get more than that. And if he does get more than that, if it's approaching close to that, he will go and have another session. So it tells everyone, okay, look, we're getting high numbers. We'll go out to this session here, set up for 250, sends that in message and email and announcement, and sort of as needed basis. But anyway, learning this, if it's 250 plus participants, some things, all guests must be participant. And that means that your guest presenter, you can manually switch them to presenter once the session started. And the other one was that it can't be an open session. It has to have a beginning and end date within 24 hours. Righto.